Hey, it's Scott coming to you live here from my home in Sugarloaf. I just want to show you the 1000 direct system. This has been on fire. You know why? Because it's so simple, and how I show you is very even. It's simpler. So what is $1,000 direct? $1,000 direct is a program that allows you to generate $1,000 directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Wise, Venmo, credit card, which is Stripe, okay? And notice here, we set everything up for you. All you do is collect $1,000 payments. And what is this? This is a Shorts Academy, okay? So this is going to teach you how to do shorts, and you're going to get added into my group. As you can see, our members are getting paid, folks. Our members are getting paid $1,000. I close your sales, so all of my team right here, they're going to have this here. So if anyone has any questions about these 1, 2, 3 simple steps, guess what? They're going to be able to reach out to me, and I'm just going to tell them, follow step 1 exactly what it says, follow step 2 exactly what it says, and follow step 3 exactly what it says. It's that simple, folks. It's that simple. So now let me show you where and what I am doing with this $1,000 direct, because it's a high converting page. This video is only 2 minutes long, so it has a great turnover. So we're going to go over here to my multiple income funnel account. We're going to head on over to my business. As you can see, we can customize this. I can put your $1,000 direct here for you. They have videos back here how to do that, but I can give you a hand. All we're doing is copy and pasting this right here. And then the YouTube video, I have everything you need. I just need your referral link when they send it to you via the email, and then income stream number 3 we're going to get into now. But what I want to do is I want to view my income streams. This is going to show me, this is what you're going to see. So when you first come into multiple income funnel, you need this. This is an autoresponder that's done for you. This is a lead collector, which you need, because leads turn into the team, and then guess what? Leads turn into money. Income stream number 2 right here. Boom, and remember, multiple income funnel, the machine is doing all the work. They come here to see income stream number 1. They're going to see income stream number 2. They're going to watch the video. They're going to take action here. Income stream number 3, I have Easy Phone Money. Easy Phone Money is a faceless TikTok course that pays $200 a pop. So you have a digital strip mall right here. Just like if you have a strip mall in your local neighborhood, in your local town, where you have like a pizza place, convenience store, a deli, nail salon, whatever. It could be as much as 3, as much as 10. But you have 4 here, because this is Traffic Authority, which sends your eyeballs to income stream number 1, the autoresponder, and then the autoresponder kicks it to income stream number 2, kicks it to income stream number 3, and then kicks it to income stream number 4. And the best part about it, you get paid every time someone goes through your link and purchases the multiple income funnel, income stream number 2, which is $1,000 direct to you, income stream number 3, which is Easy Phone Money right here, which this is faceless. You see that? No face needed. Right there, Easy Phone Money, and then Traffic Authority. And as you can see, Traffic Authority has paid me, and they continue to still pay. So your next steps right here, right now, is to make sure you get involved with $1,000 direct. That'll be below in the description. And then also be sure to get your autoresponder, because it's the most important income stream out of all of these, because this is the engine that's going to run this, this, and this. And all you have to do is keep doing what you're doing now. So I look forward to connecting with you all. I hope this short video summed it all up. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.